Here we go with one of the most funniest outtakes ever. The first funny outtakes number 1. The Goose guy honking in the Goodwill thrift store.
Hello. No one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Honk honk! Honk honk! Welcome to the Goodwill thrift store. The Goose guy, how can I help you? I'm looking for some telephones. Telephones? Really, the Goose guy? We don't have any! Ha ha ha! I'm walking out of the Goodwill. Goodbye. Let's play the message. The funny outtake message number 1. So, oh, and I got a new caller id. Oh wait, I could have done that. Here we go.
1. New message. Message 1. I'm looking for some telephones. Thursday, 4:57 p.m. End of messages.
The Jordan, you can find this comical. This is a very comical video I'm gonna be doing for you. So, anyway, that was it for this video. May God bless every one of you.